Congratulations on your purchase.
Thank you very much.
Whoa, what's this? Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we are checking out the Sony Bravia X80 85-incher.
Oh my
biggest.
God.
Look. It's bigger than me.
Oh my God.
It's bigger than you.
It is legit bigger. Let me just check.
It's huge.
Oh my God, it's huge.
So guys, first up, before we review this video to TV, we're actually going to be giving you an unboxing guide, because if you get professionals to unbox and say out for you, guess how much the good guys professional store charge you for it?
How much?
Over 200. They don't actually charge you. The maximum they do
Yes.
set up TVs for is 75 inches, and for 75 inches they charge you $200.
What?
$200?
That's the price of the TV.
This is for where? This is 85 inches. So I don't know
God.
who is gonna unbox it for us. We're just gonna have to do it ourselves.
Yes.
I have not read the instructions. Guys, I'm a bit scared. I watched my last video and it was a bit of a 4-hour journey to do the 75-incher. And now we're back with an 85-incher, it's even bigger. I'm worried.
I distinctly remember last time when you said it, you said, next time we buy a TV, we need to have more friends. I wish we had more friends.
Yeah, and we still don't have any friends.
We still don't have any friends.
Still don't have any friends. But
do you know what, Ash?
One other thing I'll say about
Yeah.
last Sony TV we got, it actually broke down in 6 months. The screen got cracked. Fight. And it was slow.
Yeah, but we
slow.
tested this one out in the shop and it was a bit faster.
Yeah, apparently 3 years has gone by. This one's 3 times faster. Oh, it's stalled. We're gonna do the review soon, but first, welcome to the unboxing guide, unboxing and stand setup guide on your
So
Sony
excited.
TV. So what are we doing first?
Ash,
boss?
you know what? I actually did read the box because the box has got some instructions on it. It says step number 1 is you need to get a box cutter, like so,
Boom.
and you need to cut the top of the sellotape. Oh my goodness, look at that dedication. Look at that concentration in his eyes, guys. Now, the reason why you have to open up the box from the top is because there is a manual inside, apparently, right underneath this flap over here, which will tell us how to unbox it. So that is going to be really handy. I think the last time we did it, we didn't read the instruction manual.
Done.
Look at that. All right, you ready?
Cool. One up the top.
Oh my goodness. All right, here's the manual.
Big box.
All right, I got the manual.
So is that it? Is that what we do?
Yeah, this is the setup guide.
I see a rod here as well.
All right, the next thing we do, Ash, according to the box, take out all of the loose stuff. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? Don't break it. Okay, wait, one second. All right, the next thing that we need to do, according to here, is we need to take out all of the white clips from the bottom. That's it, you just pull it out. And then there's some around the back. And whilst Ash does that, I'm just gonna look at the manual and it's gonna say you have to remove all of the polystyrene from the inside and have 2 friends lift up the box and place it to another side. Now, it does say that you must not touch the LCD screen because it will crack, and we certainly have had in the past it cracking in the past.
Yes.
Look at what have you got?
It's the remote control.
Remote control.
Wow. It comes with batteries.
Batteries included.
Batteries. And
I'm
a plug.
I'm so excited. Ash, come on, babe, let's do this.
What do we do?
Now we have to take out the polystyrene from the top of the box.
Why?
Because it says that we need to remove the tops and the sides.
Don't we need to push it forward?
No. Can we just follow the instructions? Oh my goodness. The beautiful television is here. We've just taken off the top and the side panel. And now we've got this last bit over here to do. Like so. Now you will notice that there are some handy handles on the box itself. And so you want to lift up from one side. Like this. Ash, hang on. I've got one hole here. You go to the one at the back.
Oh, okay.
All right, and you lift it up. Benjamin.
Do we close this?
Okay,
there you go. I helped out.
Thank you.
Did you have that in the manual?
No,
you never.
Didn't.
There you go.
All right, pick one from the side and from the back. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, lift it up.
Ooh, you gotta get really high.
It's a good thing we've got high ceilings.
You know, I gotta say.
What?
It's actually still big.
It is really
I remember
big.
last time when we unboxed a 75-incher, like a quarter of the box was just empty space.
Foam.
Wow. All right, smaller. Whereas this one, look, check it out. Look at that. Huge. Oh, I think next comes the stand.
Yes.
I hate the stand.
It's about to get real. Shoes are coming off because we're gonna have to lift up this TV. This is the part that I'm dreading. Oh God. One's gonna screw and one's gonna be lifting.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Okay, right now we need to take off the polystyrene and pull it down a little bit, all the way down to the base until we can reach the stand. Oh my goodness. You have to pull the cardboard down by unclipping it. That's this picture.
All right. Pops out. Done.
All right, now that the cardboard is done, oh God, one person, what we have to do now is, whilst one person is pulling this out, the other person attaches on the stand whilst we unveil all of this as well.
Ah, you need to lift it up while someone attaches the stand, and there should be a third person or something like that.
What are we gonna do?
There you go. That's one stand. Okay. So your stand is probably on the other side.
So I just pull this out, right?
Yeah, pull it out.
Okay, thank you.
It says you hold from one side, and I'll pull from the other side. Yep.
Yeah, I got it. All right, that's cool. That's easy. That's cool. Do it all the way. Do it all the way.
All right.
Yeah, okay. I still got the TV.
So the screws are pointing backwards. These screws will be pointing this way.
Okay, don't get it wrong.
And this guy would be on this side.
Okay.
And the other side will be on the other side.
Perfect.
Because look, they must point like
Inwards.
this. Inwards. Is that right? They point
Yeah,
inwards?
that sounds good.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they point outwards.
Can I read as well?
Yeah, look. You can see that one's pointing outwards. So they point outwards. The screws, these big screws, they point outwards like that.
Yeah, I agree.
This hole. It might be that one. Okay, let's do it. All right, so I think the hole might be here.
Go.
Go on, sick.
It's heavy. Keep going, Ash. Hurry up. I need to drop it.
Okay, put it down slowly. No, it's not that one. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Give me a tap to get a break.
Higher. Slowly. Slowly. Okay, lift it up, lift it up. Lift it up, put it back. And balance the TV. Okay, why don't you get me to do the heavy lifting?
Okay, I'll
I
try
need to
putting
be
this
precise. You got it?
Yeah. Come down. So you just have to be quite firm with it and push it up, and then it slots in, it clicks into place, you hear it click in. Thank you so much.
And
Yo.
girl power, Wonder Woman, all that kind of stuff. But just let the stronger person lift it up.
Seriously, my hand is injured now.
Yeah, I know you watched Wonder Woman yesterday, and I know you believed it.
I thought I could be stronger. I like this unboxing. This is so much more pleasanter than the last time.
Chill.
Oh my God, last time we were so stressed.
Oh, the LG one. You needed to like flip it on the floor, screw it in, do some screwing.
That was insane. That was like never again. Okay, next we have to lie it on its side. Do we have to do that?
What do you have to do?
Lie down.
Okay, but this I don't feel comfortable with this unboxing because I feel like I might fall.
It's not going to fall. You've got that middle central one. That's the.
Yeah, but have you tried lifting it this way?
Well, you've got a stand there now. That's like the saving grace.
Okay, cool. You got this?
All right.
Are you sure I shouldn't screw it in?
No, you don't need to screw it in.
All right, I'll lift it. So you lift it high for your partner to see what's going on, and then hopefully it'll work. You ready?
Yeah.
It's not heavy for me, so it's all good. Take your time. Happy?
Yeah. Woohoo!
Woo.
Well done!
Congratulations on your stand.
Congratulations!
So I think now we can just lift with two hands, two people, and move the polystyrene out of the way.
It does exactly right.
Is that what it says in the menu?
Yes, it does say that. And it does say you can use 3 people if it's too heavy, but I reckon the 2 of us can do it.
Let's do it.
So we lift and we put it over here, right?
Yes. I remember the first Sony, that was insane as well.
Oh my God. Yeah, that's it. We're done after this. Woohoo! We go TV. Woohoo! You have to lift it now.
Are you gonna be okay?
I'm gonna be okay. If you give me the power, I'll be okay.
Yeah, I'm with you on this side.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
So one of us has to open it from one side.
What do you mean open it?
Sorry, carry it like together, or
we're gonna carry it up and move it forward, and then put it there, and then the polystyrene's gone.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. Cool.
I did it. I was so scared. That was like the most nerve-wracking moment of my life. I didn't want to let Ash down.
That's right, you smashed it. I mean, hopefully. All right, let's see.
I think that's it. Now you just put the cables in.
Well, do we take off the plastic?
Yeah, that's at the end. We're done now. We have unboxed it. Now it's time to set it up.
What, do I just plug it in?
That's it. It says, look, plug in.
Guys, that was pretty easy, I gotta say. Yeah, I know the good guys, they don't charge for 85 inches, but they're already charging $200 for 75 inches. So they probably charge at least $300 for an 85 incher. You know, if you got 2 people, you can do it yourself. At your own responsibility. It's pretty tricky, this part.
Push. I got the TV.
Oh man, it's hard. It might be in. It feels like it's in. It doesn't make a click. Maybe I'll pretend that it's in. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
I'm going to do the easy stuff, which is setting up the remote control. For this, all you have to do is take out the remote control from the bag and put the batteries inside, which is something that I'm more than capable of doing.
Good luck.
Thank you. So it does use AAA batteries, 2 AAA batteries. And now, okay, so the remote control, you slide it on and you just clip it into place and that's it, it's done.
And to show that this is our TV, we're actually taking off the plastic. Look at that, boom, it's yours now.
Did that. I can't
you gotta keep it.
You can't return it.
Is the stand a bit wobbly? Look at that.
Yeah, it is wobbly.
Oh, the TV's very... Wow, the TV's turned on. That means the setup guide is complete. That means the unboxing guide is complete. Congratulations on your purchase.
Thank you very much.
Stay tuned for the setup guide for this wonderful TV coming up next.
We didn't smash it. We didn't smash it. We didn't smash it. We didn't smash it.
Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Cool.